Hi, hello and welcome back to my channel Div's Home Studio. In today's video I'm going to talk about the major problem we all face eventually, that's hair loss problem. Of course it is kind of difficult to fight this hair loss problem because there are n number of products in the market today and we don't know what to choose and what really works for our scalp and hair type and the weather where you're, when there is humidity, when there is no humidity, and the kind of things we have to look into. So let's actually deal with this like step by step. So in the first step we have to stop the hair loss to a certain extent. It is not magic that it can work in just overnight and stop 100% of your hair loss, but it can slowly stop your hair loss problem if you really take care of it, and follow the routine every time you wash your hair, every time you brush your hair. So these are the few things we need to take care of. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Okay, today is a DIY routine. I'm going to share it with you guys because yes, we all are worried about using products from the market. We don't know what chemical is used, we don't know what preservative is used, and mostly it is all like kind of curtain. They don't really reveal what actual ingredients are present in the products. So yes, there are certain store-bought products which actually are super good and really works, but we will go in from the initial stage to something which is like high-end. Okay, let's see what are the products and ingredients we really need to do this DIY. Hair loss problem can be due to lot of reasons like environmental changes or climatic changes, and you go out in a pollution, or you are in a very humid place, and you are in a very cold place, or maybe you are your water is hard water where it can surely damage the hair because of the chemicals and styling tools that you're using. And there are so many different kinds of aspects you have to look into, and you always have to take care of your diet, which is very important, so that you have to take more vegetables and fruits or supplements which has biotin and vitamin D, E, and so many other minerals which has to balance your diet, and only then from internally it can boost the hair growth and stop the problem which you are facing. So let's go and see how to make this DIY. The next ingredients which I'm going to list out is kalonji seeds. It is actually known as black seeds or nigella seeds. And then I'm going to use curry leaves, which is very rich in beta carotene and protein, which can treat your hair to a super extent. Henna leaves are one such ingredient which actually conditions your hair and smoothens and makes it silky, and it actually treats all the dry and damaged hair so very well. I'm going to use amla. Amla is one such super good food for your hair. It has n number of vitamins and minerals in it. So the next ingredient which I'm going to use is the rosemary dried leaves. You can use fresh leaves if you do have. Okay, now that we checked how to make the DIY, I have made this oil I'm going to make this oil into small batches, because since we are adding too many natural ingredients directly, so it can tend to develop fungus and bacteria in it. So it is better that you make it in small batches and don't really store like you're making it for 1 liter of oil or something like that. And that's it. And you have to keep this oil in the sunlight for at least 4 to 5 days, so that it absorbs the natural vitamin. It really gets into the oil, and so that this is an additional extra benefit that is going to be there in the oil. You have to oil your hair twice weekly, at least once weekly. Do not miss oiling your hair, because that is the only strength and food kind of thing that is supplied to the hair follicles. Okay, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope this is surely useful for you guys. So until next time, it's Divya signing off. Bye bye.